Hey boss babes, we're back again with another video, and today we are going to revive our press-on nails. So today we are taking our wipes and cleaning all the oil from our nails because we want the glue to adhere to our nails so that we can get a longer look, okay? So right now I am pushing back my cuticles, and now I'm filing my nails to create a rough surface for the glue to adhere to my nails. So right now I'm brushing off all the debris so that we can have another clear surface. So now I'm buffing my nails to do the same thing, to, for there to be a rough surface. And right now I'm taking my press-on nails that I previously wore. You can tell because the shape is not as sharp. So what we are about to do is glue the nail down. But when it comes to gluing the nail, make sure that you're not overdoing it. Just one drop is enough and it will spread throughout the nail. And what you want to do is hold the nail down for 10 to 15 seconds. These are the most crucial steps because this is what creates longevity of your press-on nails. So now we're taking a nail file, the one that you receive in the mail from us, or your own personal nail file. You take it and you reshape your nail because, girl, we about to get these nails popping. You're not even gonna know they're press-ons, first of all. You are going to have a fresh set that you wore however long ago, and you about to make these nails rock. And so, as we're ending this video, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what other videos you guys want to see. Because, girl, we're all about nails. We're all about everything boss babe, period, in this melanated nails fam. Okay? Y'all have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe.